So it's been a minute since I gave an update on the 335 Misfire. A lot has happened since I last made that video, and as you can tell, the car is up on jack stands. We have more issues. I ended up replacing coil packs and spark plugs and was starting to think that it might be the injectors. However, I completely overlooked these. If you don't know what this is the B58 to N54 conversion coil pack boot. These old ones were basically letting the spark leak instead of firing properly. So under load, my car would break up and misfire and throw a code, even though I had already replaced my spark plugs and coil packs. And I have to give a quick shout out to Trip E82, who told me to make sure I replace these, and if I am going to replace them, to upgrade to the ones from Midnight Motorsports. They all fit onto the coil pack nice and snug, and I can say the same thing after I installed them. And now it's officially time for the moment of truth.